Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes VMware module disk power on failed error. Find your VMware configuration folder location. Open VMware configuration folder location. Delete all .lck extension folders. Power on your virtual machine. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.